If you are new, don't forget to click the subscribe button that's down below. And if you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for sticking around and continuing my journey on starting my small business. So real quick, I just want to do a little self-promo. You should always start your videos with a little self-promo. I am the CEO of Simonsayz Creations. Right now we have a 35% sale going on. If you're still watching this video. Also too, right now we have our new liquid marijuana lip gloss. It's a green glow in the dark lip gloss. It goes on clear. Let me go ahead and apply that for you. See, a little bit goes a long way, and it is long lasting, so you don't have to worry about losing the shine. And even if you do lose the shine, the good thing about our lip gloss is your lip still stays moisturized. Like, it's still soft for the rest of the day. So let's go ahead and get into the video. As you know by the title, it is an unboxing video of some of the inventory we got. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alrighty, so we did go ahead and get some packages from Amazon. I wanted to make sure that these are our packages. And with the whole COVID-19 going on, I definitely didn't want to leave them in the packages for too long, because I kind of want to just hurry up, open these, get them out of here, sanitize, whoop-de-whoop. So let's go ahead and start opening these. So let's start with this one. So I already opened it because I wanted to make sure it is what I thought it was. And these are just small sample tubes. I actually did buy it from a different vendor. I kind of like this vendor better because they actually individually wrap the tubes. So I think there's like about 60 of these, and these are where our sample lip scrubs go in. You can buy them separately, or you can buy them 2 in a pack. Those will be on the website soon, so stay tuned for that. And then I believe this is what we've been waiting for, which are our tubes. So let's go ahead and cut this. Okay. So these are our 15 milliliter tubes, and you get 70 in a pack. And then let's open this one. Finally, okay, so these are our other tubes. These are the 10 milliliter tubes. And you get 80 in a pack. So I know I mentioned on Instagram whether y'all like the 10 milliliter tubes or the 15 milliliter tubes. I kind of got both answers. It kind of was like 50-50. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and continue keeping the 15 milliliter tubes and the 10 milliliter tubes, as well as add on the wand tubes. But as of right now, with everything going on, it's kind of hard to find the wand tubes that I'm looking for. So I'm just going to continue selling those 2 sizes. Don't forget, you can shop our website. I'll leave it down below. Simonsayz.com. Right now we do have that 35% off extra high sale going on today. It is $4.20. This is what I would do for you guys today if you're watching this video. The first 5 people that places an order will get a free gift. So, I'll repeat one more time.
And the first 5 people that place an order today on 4/20 will get a free gift.
Mark my words. If you think it's a joke, head over to our website, browse, place your order, you'll see. We also have instant manicure sets online. You have a choice between choosing a custom one or choosing the ones that we have on our website. That is also part of our 35% off as well. Don't mind my nails. I just took them off, and I am actually testing out something so that's why I don't have any nails on my hands. So anyways, let's get back into it. This is our last item. It is kind of a heavy item because it is a storage unit. So let's see if we can lift this up. And I don't want to show my address. So let's see if you can see this. Probably not. So basically, I ordered this off of Amazon. So like I said, everything is from Amazon. This is a storage unit. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I'm definitely going to get that put together and put it up. If y'all would like for me to do a room tour or an office tour, leave a comment down below and I'll definitely get onto it if y'all do want me to. Comment down below what kind of videos you would like for me to do, and I would definitely get onto that. I want to be more consistent posting on YouTube, so I need more ideas, as well as engage with y'all and give y'all what y'all want to see. So this is only part 1 of the unboxing because I am getting more packages, but everything is so delayed now with the COVID-19, so they're not coming in as they should be, which is 2-day shipping since I am a Prime member. But I do want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new, you definitely want to subscribe. We have some new things coming out. If you are just starting out your business, go ahead and subscribe because I'm definitely going to be having more videos on how to do, like, set up your website, how to make your business cards, things like that. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. And happy 420 for all y'all smokers out there. Go ahead and light it up and get your liquid marijuana lip gloss while you can.
The way that I run them home, you can call me Babe Ruth, MVP of the year, tossing baseballs on me, ball.